Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is John from Volkswagen Planet. It is currently 71 degrees here in Tampa, Florida. We've got almost 100% chance of rain here in the next couple of hours and even through overnight. It is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So let's get this video in real quick before the rain actually comes. What we're looking at here, again, is a 1972 Super Beetle. And I'm going to show you a couple things that I was able to accomplish before the rains did come in. You guys do know I'm working on the door. So what had happened was I started taking the regulator parts out, and now I can't get the glass to go all the way up. So instead of messing with that, I stepped away from it yesterday, put the tarp on it, called it a day, and I guess we're going to call it a couple days because of the rain today, and we're not going to be able to get to it. So coming to the back, for those of you who have been following the videos, you guys do know that I had a faulty, I guess you could call that the idle control valve, I guess you could say. The idle, it's an idle valve. And what was going on before is when I turned the ignition on, there would be nothing. And what's supposed to happen is when you turn the ignition on, the little plunger goes, either opens or closes, I'm not quite sure, but it makes a clicking noise. It makes the clicking noise now, but when I was installing this, I noticed something which is going to bring us to the topic of today's video. If you notice, we did get some rain, and you can tell it's the engine. It's not pretty, but I did spend some time on it. Check out my videos to show you how I painted the tins. But I spent time in it, and there's got to be a way to protect your engine compartment when you have a open grill or open vented grill like this in the back of your deck lid. We do know that in the older bugs, they have a solid deck lid, but what do you do if you have your back of your deck lid has grills like that in it? Well, let me show you what I did, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to this bug here in just a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the 1970 convertible. As you can tell, I've got this one tarped also because I've got some pieces in the top that's missing. But let's go back to the deck lid real quick. So if you look at the deck lid, you'd say, well, it looks just like the exact same other one. But that's not the case. What has actually happened is, if you notice, we don't see the engine from here, and let me show you why. Let me show you what's up underneath this. So what Volkswagen did back in the day is they took and they have this cover that you can, here, let me zoom out real quick. They have this cover you can install, and what it does is it catches the rainwater. And you can tell by just that side there's a little hose that comes from the plastic compartment there, and it goes all the way down to the edge, the lip of the tailgate, and the rainwater comes out there and comes off and goes right into the engine compartment down to the road. So that's a pretty neat idea. But here's my question: when and where is the last time you ever seen one of these? And does any supplier sell those? Comment below. I'd like to find out. I would like to buy a couple, but I've not seen one of these and never really even thought about it until today's video. I want to say this was a factory part. I'll let you guys know in a future video when I take this down. I'm going to look for part numbers then. But it's a really simple, like I said, it's a really simple design, and there's not much to it. It's sort of like the fresh air box in the front of the Beetle. And like I said, it does the exact same thing. Water comes in the vents, just like the hood, and it goes down to the box, which this would be the box, right into the tubes and out the car. So let me know again if you guys have seen these on any parts suppliers, parts houses. I know probably the Sambo will probably have it, but this is how you take care of your rain not getting in your engine compartment. I thought it was a pretty neat video to do, because here in Florida, we do get a lot of rain. We do get a lot of, I guess, spur of the moment weather patterns, and we always don't have the opportunity to pull over Or if this is your daily driver, how would you save your engine area from getting soaking wet and protect your time from maybe all that chrome getting all rusted out and everything else. So that was today's video, guys. And I want to say once again, thank you guys for all your support, for all your help through all my problems. You guys have been there for answering my questions, helping me out in my time of need. But I put it out there that I'm getting a little burnt out. I'm starting to do things that doesn't help my condition out. So I want to go back to the original ways, what we're doing. Take one problem, solve it, and don't go on to the next until we got that problem solved. I want to say thank you guys for reaching out, again, for your support. And I'm going to take your guys' advice not to make videos every single day, and maybe do like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I'm just going to get through the couple more videos that already have recorded. So like, comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment. Well, I hope you leave a comment to tell me if you know where to buy that cover from underneath. Now, I have seen ones that are on top of this, but I think that's only for the fuel injection. Comment below on that also. I really don't like that pattern, that idea, but it could be an option for those of you guys who live in the wet weather climate areas like I do. But if you've seen the ones that go under and covers that like I showed you, comment below. So thank you guys again. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Catch you guys next time. Stay safe, stay warm, God bless, and we'll catch you on tomorrow's video, and I'll give you more information from there. Take care, have a good night.